Okay friends, so now close this one and select the table and come to the create tab once again, and we have a fourth group, forms. Here we have many options for creating the forms, but in this case we are going to select first option, form. Just click on this, but remember you must select that particular table or query. For that you want to connect with this particular form. Click over here. Acess will create a form for you automatically. All fields are coming automatically for you. So now we can see, I can see first record because we have already entered one record. So record 1 of 1 is coming over here. Customer code, name, address to Delhi, city, pin, contact details are coming automatically. So now we can adjust the width by selecting that way, and we have many options for do the editing, which we will learn later on. So now save this form, press Ctrl S and give the name F. F denotes for the form, F customers. Click OK. So and now click over here in the view option. So this is in the layout view. In the layout view we can do the data entry, but we can also do the some kind of formatting. In the design view we can do the complete design of this form, but for entering the data we must select form view. So click over here. Now we cannot do any data, we cannot do any editing, but we can enter our data. So here is the records. So 1 of 1 is coming. This option is for the next record, this is for the last record, and this is for the new record. So we have to enter a new record. Click over here. So now enter the next code 1002, press enter, give the name XYZ Private Limited, press enter. Address to would be shop number 13, press enter. But in this case, because we have selected data type as a long text, it means we can enter too much of text in this field. So we have to press tab for going to the next field. Here also we can see horizontal scroll bar here. In this case also data type is long text, so we have to press tab for going to the next field. And now press enter. So now once we press enter to the last field, it will automatically come to the new record on the first field. And now we can see record 3 of 3. If we go to the previous record, only 2 of 2, because third record is not yet saved. Okay friend, so by that way we can do the data entry in our database Acess. Now close this one, and now double click on the customer table, and now we can see we have 2 records in our table. So by that way you can do the data entry. If you want to delete any record, just select that particular record and come to the home tab, and here we have options related to the records. If we want to make a new record, then click over here. If you want to save, if you want to do any editing in particular record, so we have to click on the save option. If you want to delete, just click over here, and now we can see the message, you are about to delete 1 record. If you really want to delete it, select yes, otherwise no. Or we have a total, we can do the total if we have entered any number. We have some more options which we will learn later on. So now we have created our table and form. Now it is time to learn about the query. Close this one